Hello students, this is class 4, chapter 1, the food we eat. Some parts to be covered. In this chapter, we have 4 main parts, that is components of food, balanced diet, way to avoid wastage of food, and way to preserve food. So basically the introduction part is, what is food? All living beings need food to survive and grow. Our body gets energy from the food we eat. Different types of foods are there, and those foods give different amount of energy to our body so that our body can work properly, and it helps us to work and play. So third line, the energy we gain from food provides us not only the strength to work and play, but also it protects us from various diseases, infections, and keep our body healthy. It also helps in the growth and repair of our body. Therefore, in these 5 lines, we learn that food is one of the basic needs for the survival of all the living beings. And after the food, there is a part, that is nutrients is there. We generally, all the living beings gain food from 2 sources, that is plant and animals. So what is nutrients? We know that in food different components are there, or different. So the components of food that helps our body to survive, grow, and become strong are called nutrients. So nutrients are the different parts present, different components present inside in the food that helps us to survive, grow, become strong, become healthy, and it can also helps our body to growth and repair. Here we can see different components are there. I generally divide the 5 components into 2 groups, that is major group and minor, but very essential. Major groups are divided into 3 parts: carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Both carbohydrates and fats are energy giving foods. These components of foods give energy to our body, so these are called energy giving foods. Whereas protein is also called, or also known as, body building foods, because it helps our body to grow properly, so it is known as body building foods. Then minor group or very essential part is that vitamins and minerals, which are very important for us. It helps us to protect our body from infections, various diseases, and keep our body healthy. Whereas raw fish and water is also very important. Water, we know water is very important for us. Raw fish, some parts of food that is not digested by our body, but it helps our body to act properly during digestion process.